If you're getting into electronics, robotics, or signal diagnostics, having a good entry-level oscilloscope is a must. In this video, we'll review the 5 best beginner-friendly oscilloscopes available on Amazon in 2025. Let's start with the most talked-about model among beginners and hobbyists, the Rigol DS1054Z. This 4-channel oscilloscope offers a 50 MHz bandwidth and a 1 gigasample per second real-time sampling rate. It also boasts a 12 million points memory depth, which is impressive for its price point. One of the key reasons this model is loved by both hobbyists and educators is its reliability and depth of feature. The 7-inch display provides a clean view of waveforms, and it comes equipped with advanced triggering options, FFT functions, and decoding support for I2C, SPI, UART, and more. While it's officially a 50 MHz scope, many users in the community unlock it to 100 MHz through unofficial firmware upgrades, making it even more versatile. The DS1054Z is not just an oscilloscope, it's a learning platform, offering depth for new users to grow into. Next up is the Siglent SDS1104X-E, which is the top choice for those wanting more bandwidth right out of the box. It delivers 100 MHz bandwidth across 4 channels and maintains a 1 gigasample per second sampling rate, just like the Rigol. What sets this model apart is the inclusion of Siglent's Super Phosphor Oscilloscope SPO technology, which enhances waveform fidelity and acquisition speed. It features a responsive user interface, multiple math functions, 14 million points of memory depth, and waveform recording capabilities. The SDS1104X-E is particularly popular among serious hobbyists and even some professionals for its accurate display, fast processing, and excellent protocol decoding tools. It's a slightly more premium product than the Rigol, but offers more out of the box without requiring firmware tweaks. If you're looking for value without losing too much functionality, the Hantek DSO5102P is an excellent 2-channel option. With 100 MHz bandwidth, a 1 gigasample per second sampling rate, and a respectable 40 kilopoints of memory, this model offers all the basics for signal viewing and measurement. It includes a large 7-inch color display and intuitive controls that make it a favorite among students and casual users. Hantek's menu system is straightforward and less intimidating for first-timers, which helps flatten the learning curve. It's not as feature-rich as the Rigol or Siglent, but for someone who's mostly working with simple signal, like Arduino, sensors, or audio, it's a solid investment. For those who need a compact solution or plan to take their scope into the field, the FNIRSI C53T handheld oscilloscope is a great hybrid tool. It combines a 50 MHz oscilloscope, a digital multimeter, and a signal generator in one compact device. It's powered by a rechargeable battery, and the 250 megasamples per second sampling rate is adequate for most hobbyist applications. Its touchscreen interface and included test probes make it beginner-friendly, while the portability makes it convenient for on-the-go diagnostics or classroom use. The display is small but functional, and users appreciate the versatility and simplicity for small-scale testing and quick signal checks. It's not going to replace a full benchtop scope, but it certainly fills a valuable role in the beginner's toolkit. Finally, for ultra portability and minimal desk space, the CYSune DSO213 Pocket Oscilloscope is a creative solution. This tiny 4-channel unit, 2 analog, 2 digital, offers a 15 MHz bandwidth and 100 megasamples per second sampling rate, making it ideal for low-speed signals. Despite its small size, it's equipped with built-in waveform storage, micro USB charging, and a rechargeable battery. While the interface may take some getting used to, it's perfect for makers, students, and educators who need a quick signal viewer in a compact form. It's not for complex debugging or deep protocol work, but for small signal capture, it does the job.